Hi all, this is Gopakumar with you, welcoming you to my channel HIGHFIVE TECH. Hey, are you tired of YouTube recommending you channels and contents that you don't want to watch? Or are you annoyed with someone who is constantly giving negative comments on your channel videos and wished you could block him? Well, then you have come to the right video. Today we will learn on how you can block a YouTube channel 2020 November. So without wasting any more time, let's dive in. First of all, please update all your YouTube apps from Play Store or App Store. Once you are done with it, open your YouTube and log into your account. Now, from your account, search for the channel that you wish to block. In the search bar, type in the name of the channel that you wish to block. Please note that for this demo, I have created a different email account and I will be using this account to block my own channel, that is HIGHFIVE TECH. This is the email that I just now created. Now type in the channel name that you wish to block. For demo purpose, it's HIGHFIVE TECH. So in the search bar, I will type HIGHFIVE TECH. I already got a video on the top of my list, so I'll go from there. Go to the home page of HIGHFIVE TECH. Now click on the three dots that you see on the top right hand side. These three dots. Now as you see, a new pop-up window has appeared with 7 options. Click on the second option, that is block user. This one. Now again a new window appears to confirm your stand. It says blocking this user will prevent them from commenting on videos that you have uploaded. Yes, now onwards they cannot comment on your videos that you have uploaded. So you will block it by pressing block. Now by this you will not be getting any more comments from this channel in your posted videos. Please note that you can always unblock this channel at any given time by re-entering the channel name in the search bar and following the same steps as you did now. Here the three dots, you just need to click it again, these three dots, and you can see that it's written unblock user. You just need to click on that again to unblock him. By this, you will start getting comments from this particular channel. I'll unblock it. There, you have to press the unblock button again to confirm your stand. Now if you go back and check, you will find that this particular person has been unblocked. Press on the same three dot button. There, you can see that it's asking to whether you want to block the user again. Please note that this has not completely blocked the videos of this particular channel from appearing on your main screen. Block the new videos recommended by YouTube from this channel. What you have to do is, beneath the video of that particular channel from the home screen, you can see that there are three dots just next to the topic. You can see three dots of that particular channel. Click on that and you can see again a new pop-up window appears with several options. What you need to do is click on the don't recommend channel option, and YouTube is saying that we won't recommend videos from this channel to you again. So that's done. By this, you will not be able to see any new post, thumbnail or comments from this channel on your YouTube channel again. Again, you can always come back and follow the last steps to enable this channel's upload posts to be seen on your channel again. Now I will show you how this can be done on your laptop. On your laptop, open YouTube, search for the channel you wish to block by typing the channel name in the search bar. Suppose I want to block HIGHFIVE TECH. I typed HIGHFIVE TECH. Some of the videos has come. On the HIGHFIVE TECH logo, click. You will reach HIGHFIVE TECH home page. From the home page, click on the About, this button, About, and in About there are some few options here. As you can see, there is a flag icon here. Click on the flag icon. You get some options in a new window. You can see block user. Click on this and the user will be blocked. Same way to unblock this, same procedure again from the YouTube channel. Once the channel comes, same way, About, and click on the flag icon. Here it will be written unblock user. You just click that. I would just do this if someone is just annoying you. You can just block them out so that they cannot comment on your videos or send you any private messages anymore. I guess that's it for this topic. I hope it was of some help to you to some extent. I will see you in the next video. Till then, this is Gopakumar signing off. Stay safe and blessed. Bye.